Hello traders, welcome to another exciting video on Trading Channel. Today we are going to be looking at the Alpha Zero Forex robot, which is currently available on Trading Channel for just $99 only. And I promise you guys, this is a steal. And as usual, we're going to be giving one of these Forex robots or more for free to people in the comment section. So all you just need to do is to type Alpha Zero Forex robot in the comment section, and you could stand a chance of winning this Forex robot for free. Now this Forex robot trades on BTC USD on the MetaTrader 5 platform, and it delivers consistent profits with a 60% win rate on backtest. All right, and this is the Forex robot that we are going to be streaming live on our account in 2025. Let me just show you here. So this is my VPS here, and this is the account that we are going to be live streaming on YouTube. I recently tried, in fact, we could have started streaming this Forex robot already, but when I tried streaming, I realized that my server couldn't take it. So what I'm going to do, maybe at the end of the month, I'm going to upgrade my server to have higher cores, and then once I do that, we're going to start streaming this Forex robot. This is a problem account, it's a $25,000 account, and the target is to meet up 8%. And you can see we are currently at, I think, 4%, just slightly above 4%. So we still have about 4% to go, and the Forex robot is actively trading. You can see we had one trade here recently. We are trading with a constant lot size of 0.2. So we just had one trade recently, and this trade resulted in a profit of about $74. So not much. You can see the rest of the profit here. So not much, just very little profit. And this is what we are going to be doing. Okay, so let's look at how you can actually install this Forex robot. Forex robot is compatible for MT5. The currency pairs for Alpha Zero is BTC USD. Hopefully in the future we are also going to be releasing Alpha 1, maybe for Ethereum USD, and maybe Alpha 2 for other cryptocurrency pairs if we deem them to be profitable. But they are all going to be based on the candle trading strategy. So the trading time for this Forex robot is the 1 hour time frame, and it trades all trading sessions. But it is very important to trade this on an ECN broker with a low spread. All right, so this Forex robot can trade on demo accounts. It's allowed. As you can see, this is also a demo account here. All right, so the trading strategy is a candle trading strategy. It is based on the Twilight Hammer strategy, and I've made a video explaining how the Twilight Hammer strategy works. So you can head over to that video and watch in detail how the strategy works. But it was a bit modified. We modified the strategy to ensure that the overall trades are being reduced, so that we can have more profits on a lower amount of trades. Okay, so backtesting is allowed, and the minimum deposit is $1,000 live account, and maybe you can trade 10K on a prop firm account. Okay, so it's very simple. We have, whenever this pattern occurs, like I said, we buy and we close at the close of the candle. So it's a very simple strategy. I'm just going to be showing you how to install this strategy right now. So all you need to do is to purchase the software. Once you're done purchasing, you're going to get an email with a link to download this software. All right, but I've already downloaded the software here. So all you need to do is to extract the software, and you're going to get to this section. All right, so I'm just going to open up my experts folder. I'm going to open up the advisors, and I'm going to copy this software here, so the Alpha Zero Forex robot, and I'm going to head over to my MT5, and I'm going to click on File. I'm going to click on Open Data Folder here, and I'm going to click on MQ5. I'm going to click on Experts, and I'm going to open the advisors directory, and I'm going to paste this here. So paste here, and I'm going to head over back to the previous file, and I'm going to go to Experts, head over back to the initial directory. I'm going to head over to Profiles, head over to Tester, and this is the Alpha Zero set file. Okay, so I'm just going to copy it, and I'm going to do the same thing here. So back to Experts, back to MQ5. I'm going to head over to Profiles, head over to Tester here, and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so I'm going to replace this here, and this is it. All right, so now the next thing you need to do is click on View, click on Market Watch, and you're going to have to bring BTC USD to your chart. So this is mine here. So I'm just going to expand this here. And the next thing I'm going to do is to close the section, click on view, click on navigator here. And I'm going to right click on this expert advisors directory, click on refresh. So if yours is like this, you can actually bring it out here. Okay. And the next thing you can do is head over to tools, head over to options, and make sure you add tradingkernel.com here. Okay, you don't have to add this, just make sure you have tradingkernel.com added here in your directory here. Okay, so once you have that, you can click on this button here to make sure that this button is turned on, and you can either drag this to the chart and it's going to open up, or you can just double tap on it and it's going to open up on the chart. But I prefer you dragging this to the chart in case you have multiple charts open here. Okay, let's proceed with the configuration. Now, the Alpha Forex robot actually requires a license key to function. And when you purchase the software from Trading Kernel, you're also going to get an email that comes with your license key. Now, all you need to do is to add that license key here. The next section is the section where you set your lot size. Now, this is a constant lot size that we are going to be using. Now, from the live trade I showed you on my VPS, we are using 0.2 lot size on a $25,000 account. Now, that is pretty small, but that is what we prefer to use, or that is what our broker allows us to use. Now, I'm going to be showing you the constant lot test on the backtest, so you can see for yourself what you could decide to do. And you could also backtest this software using several lot sizes to know the perfect lot size that you'd want to use, that would help you minimize risks and also make you as much profit as possible. Okay, so you can change this to whatever you want, and for the stop loss and the take profit values, you can just ignore this and leave them as default. All right, you can also change the magic number to suit whatever magic number you want. Next thing here is the filling mode. So we noticed that most of the brokers actually require different filling modes depending on the symbol you're trading. So you can actually test this on backtest to see which of the filling mode is allowed by your broker. Okay, we also have the trading mode here, so you can select this by instant order or by pending order. Now, I just want you to ignore all of these things. If you're an advanced trader, you could actually backtest this out to see if it could improve your performance. But from the backtest that we've done on our end, we have seen that this doesn't necessarily improve the performance that much. Okay, but we added this here in case maybe that happens to start being the case in the future. We can just use this to trade. All right, so just click on load and load up the set file we just added now. So the Alpha 0 set file, and you click on open. Now make sure you add your license key after loading the set file. Then you can change the rest of the things we talked about previously here, and then you just click on OK. Once you click on OK, automatically you're going to have your image and everything would be set up. Okay, so now let's look at the back test of this Forex robot. So I'm just going to click on view, and I'm going to click on strategy tester here. So we are just going to be doing a very simple back test here from 2024 down to the current date 2025, and we are trading this on a $25,000 account. So I'm just going to head over to my inputs, and I'm going to change this here to 0.2. Okay, so we can actually see the performance, and I'm going to head over to my settings, and I'm going to make sure this is every tick here. So I'm going to click on start. It's going to be a very fast back test. All right, so it's done. So let's look at the graph here. So this is the graph of the performance, the plotted performance from 2024 down to 2025. But guys, I don't want you to purchase this strategy or feel like this is a good strategy based on this performance. Okay, I'm just showing you this to make you understand that this strategy has been profitable both on backtest and on live trading. All right, I'm not showing you this to make you feel impressed or to impress you. No, absolutely not. Let's look at the backtest statistics here. So we had a profit of about 5,172.33 USD with a drawdown of about 399 USD, which is about 1.52% of our account. This is trading with a constant lot size of 0.2. Okay, so in that period we had about 289 trades. So this Forex robot doesn't necessarily trade every day. as you know, Bitcoin, BTC USD is on every day of the week, so it's on from Monday to Monday. So on average here, we have 289 trades in more than 365 days. So it shows you that the Forex robot doesn't actually trade every day. It trades based on the strategy, and the strategy is whenever the candle pattern occurs, it's going to place a trade. Now from the back test, we've seen that the pattern occurred 289 times, which is seen to be repeatable. Okay, so even though it doesn't trade every day, we know that this pattern is repeatable and it's going to very likely occur the same amount of times in 2025. All right, and from the profit trades, you can see that we had a percentage of 62.98, which has actually improved from the initial time I made this post at 60.24 here. Obviously, you can backtest this on your broker and comment the results of what you have on this trading strategy. And the percentage total of the losses we had was 37.02% here. Now, as you can see, the short trades are 0%. This means that this strategy doesn't place any short positions. It only places long positions. And from the constant lot size of 0.2, our largest profit trade was about 356 USD, and our largest losing trade was about 221.83 USD. Now, if you're confused about the lot size to use, especially on a prop firm account, feel free to contact me, message me and ask me or have a conversation with me on the lot size that you're going to use. Okay, if you have your backtesting statistics like this, all you need to do is to look at your largest losing trade. Let's say this is 221 USD, and you head over to your input section and you enable equity lock, and then you set your maximum profit target. If you're on a prop firm, obviously the target will be, let's say, 8% or 10% or wherever you want, and the maximum risk target will be this here, subtracted from the initial capital. So in this case, we should have 220 subtracted from 25k, but what we are going to do is to give it more margin. So we can set our maximum risk target to 26,000 to 24,600. Okay, so we set our maximum risk target to 24,600, and what happens is that if our equity gets to 24,600, automatically any trade open will be closed and trading will be disabled. We are doing this so that in a case where this is hit, it will be in a case that has never happened before in the history of this back test that you're seeing here. So between 2024, we could even go down and do a back test from 2023 and would never see that drawdown being triggered. Okay, so that is the idea of using equity lock with this trading strategy. All right, so now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to show you guys a visualized test of this trading strategy so you can see it actually trade live in the market. So I'm just going to close here and I'm going to head over to my overview. I'm going to click this to visualize. So we're going to backtest this from 1st of January 2025 down to the current date here, February 13th here. So I'm just going to click on start. So you can see the performance here. So you can see it doesn't actually trade every day, but whenever this pattern occurs here, you can see it's going to trade. And after a period of a month or after even a few weeks, you can actually look at the chart. If you are looking at the trades taken by the Forex robot, you can actually look at the chart and tell that this Forex robot will likely place a trade at the close of the candle or at the open of the next candle, because you've seen that pattern occur. So it's more like this Forex robot is actually teaching you how to trade, because it is based on an edge that we are exploiting, which we developed a trading strategy on. It's very simple, guys. So let's click this and view the performance over a month here. So you can see we are up about 800 USD now in the period of January. Now, January was a very good month and we're extremely lucky. This doesn't mean that we are going to be making $700 every month. okay? But trading is all about mathematics. As long as we are profitable, we know how to, manage our trade here, okay? So this is statistics. Let me see if okay, this was taken on the 13th here, so we haven't got into this yet. This was taken on the 13th, so we haven't got into this here. It stopped on the 12th here, so we haven't got into this. So this is the performance of the strategy here. If I head over to the backtest, you can see the performance of the strategy here from January up to the current state. So guys, that will be all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at the Trading Kernel support team, and I'm more than happy to respond to you. So guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.